Hi, this is Chris with Eighth Element, and today we are lucky to be sitting with Dr. Alfredo Sardinas, who's in the Houston area. Doc, can you first tell us a little bit about yourself and your practice?
Absolutely. I am a rheumatologist. I work with a multi-specialty group as well as with several hospital systems in the Houston area.
Great. And what are we looking at today?
Today we're looking at a clinical note that's anonymous in my chart, and we're learning about the eighth element Chrome plugin.
Great. Why don't you go ahead and open that up and show us how you like to use it?
Absolutely. So if you see in the top right corner this turquoise icon with three lines, you click that first, and then you'll see this greeting with a text box. In that text box, you can either copy parts of your note or you can dictate. If you click the blue icon here, you can start speaking and it picks up your voice. Patient is a 25-year-old female with right knee pain. Patient presented today with swelling to right knee. I performed a right knee aspiration. You click the icon, and then it's going to scan it for billable codes and for CPT codes. The eighth element application is fantastic for all physicians across the board, especially for new physicians just learning billing and coding, older physicians who are still learning billing and coding, and for physicians like me that are well versed in billing and coding, but who sometimes miss codes just because they get lost throughout all the things we do throughout the day. So as you can see here, it generated some ICD codes based on what it read. So pain in the right knee has 6 codes. If you scroll down, it even picked up that I did an arthrocentesis, and you even have the CPT code. This green circled, this green circle indicates that it's billable, and even gives the estimated amount. So what you can do is pick the code that best works for your note. You click copy. You scroll down to where you were enter in the ICD codes. Copy it in, and it's in your note.
So cool.
The other way you can do it is you can empty out the text box, scroll up to the actual HPI itself. This is what I usually do. I highlight and copy my entire HPI, and you'll see this blue icon with the stethoscope up top. You click it, it transfers everything over. Again, you hit scan, and it takes a little longer, but it's going to come up with more billing codes because there's more content. Now, what the app is doing is AI is using the keywords to generate the billable ICD-10 and CPT codes that you saw in the previous example. Okay, so here we are. Now it picked up more codes because there's more content in that part of the note. And for Helicobacter pylori, you see there's 6 results. Same with GERD and for cough. So again, you pick the code that best fits your note. You hit this copy icon and you go back down, same as before.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your time today with us. Is there anything else that you'd like to say with regards to how you use the Eighth Element plugin?
Thank you so much for having me. Um, Actually, that's the beauty of it. It's not any more complicated than what we just described in the past minute. It's really been helpful in me getting all of the codes and all of the billables into the note in a timely fashion.
Amazing. Thanks again so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.